In this video, we're going to cover the process to replace the toner in your Brother HL L2360DN and other similar models. On screen is a slightly different model, but the process is the same. Follow along.
This one, I'll pull it open like this, please. The next step on the drum, which is the piece that holds the toner, locate the green tab and push down. With that push down, remove the toner. Remove your new one from the packaging, and before you remove the plastic cover, shake it a few times. Then go ahead and pull the tab off. And then, pretty much in the reverse of what you did to remove the last one, put this one into the drum. And you'll see this pop, and it locks back into place. Once that is done, slide the wire cleaner back and forth 2 or 3 times. When you clean it, you go back and forth. Be sure to return it where you started. And there's 2 arrows there. That's how you know you have it in the right spot. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below. If there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoinc.com. Until next time.